Factorization in junior cert maths. Well, factorization is all built on the building blocks of your times tables. So your times tables from national school, your multiplication chart, and all these kind of things here, where you've got 2 by 1 is 2, 2 by 2 is 4. If I show it here illustrated, a bit bigger, so I could only kind of get down as far as 11. But the likes of, say, 6 here. So 6 by 1 is 6. 6 by 2 is 12, 6 by 3 is 18, 6 by 4 is 24, 6 by 5 is 30, 6 by 6 is 36, and so on and so forth. And they're also known as your multiples there of 6. So you multiply 6 by some number, some natural number, which is a positive whole number, to get your answer. 6 by 1 is 6, 6 by 2 is 12, 6 by 3 is 18, and so on and so forth. But then when it comes up to a question, well, what are the factors of 30? You need to know that 30, well, there's a 30, and 6 times 5 made up that 30, so 6 is a factor of 30, it divides into 30 5 times, and 5 is a factor of 30 because it divides into 30 6 times. Here's another 30, and you can see now again the 5 goes into 36 times and the 6 goes into 35 times. Have you got any other 30s there? There's another 30, and you've got 10 goes into 30 3 times, 3 goes into 30 10 times. And is there any other combinations? Well, there would be for 30, there'd be 1 and 30 itself, but we're not going that high. But you need to know your times tables upside down, inside out, to be have a really good and clear understanding of factors. So that's the first place you should be starting and getting to know your times tables.